Hi, this is Kat, and today we are in Chapultepec Park. It's 12th of December, 2 p.m. The temperature is 64 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. I know if it looks hotter, it feels hotter actually, but I don't know why my phone says that. It's 18 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna show you now the picnic area. This is a very active corridor and area just by the lake. But I want to show you this time, the quiet area where people have their picnics. Yeah, it's very chaotic here, like so much noise and so much activity. But it's good for kids and people who want to have some fun. So we are just gonna circle. Well, we're just gonna walk around the lake and see the quiet area where friends, families, and lovebirds come to relax. Oh, there are some ducks over there. Oh, so beautiful. A little boat. It looks abandoned. Wow, it's so noisy. From the clown show. Oh, have a look at those ducks. So lovely there, sunbathing. So beautiful. I really like them. On Instagram I follow some accounts where they just post pictures of ducks. Not dogs, but ducks. I hope I'm saying it right. Sometimes I have problems with pronunciation. I don't know if it's because I don't know how to say it or because I'm just used to saying it wrong. Let's see if we can go over there. Yes, we can. Oh, here it feels so peaceful. Oh, I like how this tree is blocking the pavement. I mean, this way, so they just like build it around it instead of cutting it. Of course, that's not a good solution. Oh wow, there is a beautiful bridge over there. I've never seen it before. Oh, it feels so relaxing now. I'm getting a bit hungry. I had some eggs and avocado toast for lunch and papaya and coffee. Yeah, big breakfast. I was like, yep, I'm gonna have a big breakfast today. I spent some time with my cat, with my Paquito. I've never been to New York. Actually, I've never been to the US. So I can't give you like a real comparison between Central Park in New York and Chapultepec here in Mexico City. But if you have been in both places, let me know in the comment section. Or if you've been in Central Park and you watched this video, let me know what you think about this park. If they're similar. Oh, there's a squirrel over there. We can find so many squirrels here. Oh, beautiful squirrel. They're really beautiful, but they can be so greedy. Yeah, I know that because, oh, look at that. Because one of them attacked me because he wanted to get all my nuts. I mean, I was giving the squirrel like some cashew nuts, so that's why he got really crazy. We have some people here, I guess, observing the maybe fish. We have so many trees here, so many trees. I think that's why you can say this is a forest. Now it feels like a forest. I like the tranquility of this space. Have some snacks and drinks stall over here, stalls like stands, I don't know. Some picnic tables. More squirrels. They can be so greedy, seriously, but they're so beautiful. So if you come here and you want to feed them, you have to be careful because they can get pretty wild. Once I saw a man eating some potato chips, and he was walking and he went close to a tree and there were 2 squirrels there, and he gave each squirrel a piece of a potato chip, and it looked like he does that pretty often because it was so natural. I don't know, I thought that was really funny. Some hammocks. Oh, some ducks here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful animals. A garza over there, that white bird, very slim. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. Have a look at that. Some families having their picnic, maybe filming video, I think, doing some tapestry. Oh, a garza, very beautiful, beautiful animal. Look at the feathers. They look so fluffy and so clean and so shiny. And the neck looks so slim. What would be how would spaces would be without animals? I think they would be kind of boring. Animals and plants make everything so much prettier. And some fish over there, over here. I know the water looks so dirty and green, but at least there's no trash like plastic inside. A libellula, I forgot the name in English. I'll try to remember.
Huh?
Some couples enjoying the afternoon. Oh, now they're playing. The ducks are playing. They're trying, like kind of flying and playing. That's really beautiful. I like animal watching, you know, not like people watching, but like animal watching. I like watching like animals and what they're doing and their behavior and how they interact with us and enjoy the space just like us. You have to throw the trash away, organic, inorganic, and not recyclables. The little bridge is closed, unfortunately. And the Chapultepec castle is over there. It has a fence around it, so you have to kind of walk around and find the entrance. I'll show you the castle another time. I have to come earlier, yeah, to make the video. Oh well, now you can hear the noise. Well, I just wanted to show you this part of the lake. It's kind of quiet. You can still hear the noise from the very active area, but it's also kind of quiet and calm. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for all your support and all your likes and all your comments. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much. This is a clown show for kids in Mexico.
Fíjate, nada más para que escuches. ¿Qué quieres bailar, hija? ¿Sexy, reggaetón, normal o intenso? Un reggaetón intenso.
He's asking, what would you like to dance? A normal reggaeton or an intense reggaeton? And she said, an intense reggaeton.
Sí. Fíjate, chaparra, otro quemón nomás para que la vean. Mira, fíjate cómo baila ella y cómo baila ella, Música maestra, que se oigan las palmas. Pónganles, Véanla bien. ¡Palmas, palmas, palmas!
Oh wow, she dances so well.
Ya con eso, ya sabemos a qué se dedica su madre.